In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not sending messages using the best method available. We're going to navigate through a couple of steps to ensure that your messages go through with ease and you're back in touch with potential buyers or sellers in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's check your internet connection. Ensuring you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is key. You might want to test this by opening another app or website to see if everything else is working smoothly. If other services aren't loading well either, the issue might be with your internet, so fixing that could resolve your problem. Next, try refreshing or restarting the Facebook Marketplace chat page. An easy way to do this is by closing and reopening the Facebook app or the browser tab you're using. If that doesn't work, a full restart of your phone or computer can help resolve any temporary glitches that might be hindering your messaging. When was the last time you updated your Facebook app? Head over to the App Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play Store for Android users and check if there's an update available. Sometimes updates include bug fixes that might correct any messaging issues you're experiencing. Now, you might not know this, but some marketplace chats are rerouted to Messenger. Therefore, it's worth opening the Messenger app, check under the message requests or even the spam folder just in case a message got lost there. If you're still not seeing anything, try logging into Facebook via its desktop site and send a message from there to see if it works better. Another situation to consider is whether you're temporarily restricted from sending messages. If you've been posting excessively, reported by someone, or violated Facebook's guidelines, you might face temporary messaging restrictions. You can check for any such limitations by visiting Settings, then Support Inbox to see if they've imposed any restrictions on your account. If so, you might just have to wait for a few days until the restriction is lifted. Android users can try clearing the app's cache and data by going to Settings, then Apps, Facebook, Storage, and selecting Clear Cache Data. iPhone users can achieve the same result by deleting the app and reinstalling it. Those using Facebook on a browser can try clearing their cookies and cache to refresh the site's data. As a final quick fix, you can try logging out of your account and then logging back in. This simple action can often refresh your session and resolve any temporary bugs affecting your messaging. Finally, if the issue persists, try accessing Facebook Marketplace on a different device or browser. If you're using your phone, switch to a desktop, or if you're on Chrome, experiment with Firefox or Edge. Sometimes the platform works better on different devices or browsers. And there you have it. These steps should set you on the path to resolving any messaging issues with Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching.